सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 158, verse 89. इच्छाद्वेषः प्रयत्नाश्च धर्माधर्मौ सुखासुखे तत्संस्काराश्च तस्यैते गुणाश्चितिवदीरिताः. Vidyaranya analyzing the Tvam Pada Vichara from 22nd shloka onwards up to 103. He is analyzing. As a part of this analysis, he brings other systems of philosophies, their views regarding Atma. The Jivatma, Tvam Pada Vichara, Jivatma. What is that Jivatma? Lakshana Vipratipattayaha. I said in the last class. Lakshana Vipratipattayaha. What is that Atma? Deha is Atma, Mana is Atma, Prana is Atma. Like that they are talking. And they have shown the Upanishad Pramanam also. And Parimana Vipratipattayaha. They talk about the size of Atma. How big Atma, how small Atma, Anu, Vibhu, Madhyama, Parimanas. Someone says Anu Parimana, someone says Madhyama Parimana, someone says Vibhu Parimana. Confusions are galore. Fact is always only one. Mistakes or errors can be many. Always truth is one, but rumors are many. Like that, fact is one, but the errors are many. So, Vidyaranya presenting their views, third confusion, Lakshana Vipratipatti, first confusion, Parimana Vipratipatti, second confusion, size-wise confusion, what? Atma is what? What is that? Confusion. Then its nature, Swarupa Vipratipatti. What is the nature of Atma? Some people say it is insentient Jadam. Achit. Achit means Jadam. Some people say Chidachit. It is half sentient, half insentient. Chidachit. Chit means sentient. Achit means insentient. So half sentient, half insentient. Some people say it is full sentient nature. Now we are seeing the Achit, Atma Achitvadi, Prabhakara Mimamsaka, Nyayayika, Vaisheshika, all of them are taking Atma is Achit, it is Jadam. They are taking Atma as a Dravyam, a substance. Atma is a Dravyam, it is a substance. Here Atma means Jivatma. We the Vedantins take Atma is composite of three principles. We should not forget when we are studying these Purapakshis for a long time, we should not forget Siddhanta. Siddhanti says, Atma, the Jivatma is the composite of three principles. One is original consciousness, OC. Second principle is RC, reflected consciousness, or Chidabhasa. Third principle is RM, reflected medium. Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Sarirams put together. OC plus RC plus RM is Jivaha, according to Vedanta. What these people say, it is not RC, OC, RM. It is a substance, dravyam, akashavat. Like space, Atma, Jivatma is also a dravyam, a substance. Generally, substance used to have gunas, properties. Every substance, definitely it will have gunas, properties, attributes. Akasha gunavat. Akasha has got Shabda guna, sound property. Similarly, this Atma, Dravyam also has got Chaitanyam as its guna. Property is here consciousness. Consciousness is the property of the Atma Dravyam. So, Atma means you have to remember Jivatma. Here he is talking about Jivatma. Sampada Vichara. Therefore, he says, this Dravya Atma, substance Atma, has got a property. What is that property? Chaitanyam, consciousness or Jnanam. We can call it as Jnanam or Chaitanyam or consciousness. Not only one property, it has got some more properties also. Totally 8 properties Atma has got. One is Chaitanyam, consciousness. There are 8 more properties he has introduced in the 89th sloka, which I have introduced in the last class. In addition to the Chaitanyam, consciousness attribute, in addition to that, this Atma has some more attributes. They are Ichha, number 2. From there you can count to 2. Because Chaitanyam has given in that 88th sloka. So 89th onwards you have to put number 2, property number 2. Totally you get 8 in this sloka. Ichha, Dvesha. Ichha means raga. Dvesha, hatred. Prayatna, willpower. Dharma, punya. Adharma, papa. Dharma means punya. How you translate punya in English? No word. Therefore I am not translating. Punya means punya. Or you can take meritorious actions. Meritorious actions. Adharma, papa. Sukha, pleasure. Asukha, sorrow. Tat samskarascha. Sukha, dukkha, samskaras. Once you experience pleasure, pain, they leave some imprints. They are called samskaras, vasanas. Sukha vasana, dukkha vasana. Sukha vasana, how do you know? When yesterday if you eat mango, this is a nice mango, that vasana continues today. Let me get that mango. Where from you got? Tell me. I want to eat. Sukha vasana continues. Similarly, dukkha also. Suppose you have got an sorrowful experience, unfavorable because of so and so. I don't want because it gave pain to me yesterday. Therefore, I don't want. Pravritti, nivritti based on your vasana. Vasana of what? Previous sukha dukkha experience. Previous sukha dukkha experience create or generate some vasanas. That vasana is the cause for the present pravritti, nivritti. How you got Panchadashi vasana? That also we have to say. Because you have incompleted in previous janma. We were attending Panchadashi class irregularly. Not completed. Not completed thoroughly, not understood. Even though the teacher was telling that time, today I have got some vasana, that liking for Panchadashi, because that Panchadashi class gave some ananda. I was sleeping in that class that time. Joke ka chol rahe. So that vasana brought me here today, this for sukha. Panchadashi class gives me happiness. Otherwise, how that vasana comes? That is called samskara. Ninth one. Totally 9 over. Samskarascha. Ete means all these 8. In this shloka, what are all given? 8 gunas or virtues or attributes. Ete gunaha. You have to anvaya, you have to do this way. Ete achidvat nana. Here gunas chitivat nana. That chiti means here consciousness. Chitivat ete gunaha iritaha. Along with that chiti, chaitanya guna, ete gunaha api iritaha. Chitivat purva ukta shloka. Chiti gunavat. Chitivat gunaha. Ete na ashtagunaha. Ete ashtagunaha. Iritaha. Said, mentioned. Now the next question is, how these attributes of Atma become manifest? How these attributes of Atma become manifest? In what form they manifest? And sometimes they unmanifest. How they manifest, how they unmanifest is the question. If you ask that, I will give you the answer. Further explained here, their manifestation and unmanifestation of what? These 9 gunas of Atma, their Vyaktam and Avyaktam. How they manifest, how they unmanifest, further explained in this 90th shloka. We will read this shloka. The printing is not correct, proper in my book. I hope your book also. You see, second line, Jayante. Second line only not clear. Jayante atha praliyante sushuptehe adrishta samkshayad. Atmano manasa yoge. Swadrishtavashato gunah jayante tha praliyante sushupte drishta samkshayat. Atmanaha manasa yoge. All these gunas, attributes manifest. How? When the Atma associate with mind. Atmanaha manasa. Yogi. Yogi means combined, associated, joined. Joined by what? With what? Manasa. Atmanaha manasa. Atma means the Jivatma. Manasa with the mind. Yogi. Swa adrishtavashataha gunaha. What manifest? Yogi, atmanaha manasa yogi, what comes out? Gunaha. 9 gunas, as said above slokas. 9 gunas, chaitanyam, ichha, dvesha, sukha, dukkha, samskara, dharma, adharma, all of them, gunaha means 9 gunas. How they manifest? Swa adrishtavashataha. Because of their own karma. Punya papa karma. Adrishta means here punya papa. Dharma dharma karma. Adrishta vashataha. Gunaha. Swa is very important. Its own. That jiva of its own gunas. Dharma dharma vashataha. Vashataha means because of its force. Under the spell of helplessly because of its dharma, these previous karmas, it manifests. What? Jayante atha praliyante. Jayante means they manifest. 9 gunas manifest. Consciousness manifest, dharma manifest, adharma manifest, raga manifest, dvesha manifest, samskaras manifest. Now manifesting or not? From morning to till night until you are sleeping, 9 are manifesting according to him. Okay. Chaitanyam is also manifesting. Jayante. Atha praliyante. And they unmanifest. They disappear. When? Sushuptehe. When you go to sleep, you are neither consciousness, you are not having raga, you are not having dvesha, you are not having samskara, you are not having punya papa, you are not having sukha dukkha, nothing is there. All attributes temporarily suspended. Suspended temporarily. Why is it temporarily? When you wake up in the morning, again all 9 comes. The regular anubhava we are experiencing. Therefore, jayante praliyante. So, anubhava produce vasana, vasana produce again karma. So, praliyante, sushuptehe means in sleep. Adrishta samkshayat. Once that adrishta, dharma, dharma, punya, papa, samkshayat means what? When they unmanifest, when you go to sleep, they will become unmanifest. Samkshaya means what? Nashaha. There, as though nasha. They unmanifest. According to Tarkika. According to Prabhakara. So these are all Purapakshi. Okay, remember that also. So according to them, there are many Atmas. Every Atma has got all these attributes. Next shloka we'll read. Now the next question may arise. If Atma is Achit, as said in the 88th shloka, Achit Atma, how can this consciousness be accepted? If Atma is Achit, means insentient. How can you accept this consciousness as the manifestation of Atma? Once it is Achit, you cannot say consciousness. If you say consciousness, you cannot say Achit. How can you say both? You are telling consciousness, Atma is Achit. And consciousness is manifesting in Atma. How can that Atma be Achit? Logic, illogic. Illogical. Last class I gave 5 Shruti Virodha. Now we can give Yukti Virodha. Last class I gave what Shankaracharya said, Shruti Virodha, 5 points I have given. We can say Yukti Virodha also is there, not only Shruti Virodha. Your points are illogical. Because how they are illogical, Shankaracharya says, in Upadesha Sahasri also it is elaborated. Many places Acharya says, see, you are telling Atma is Dravyam, consciousness is Dharma, property. Once consciousness is the Dharma, Atma is the Dharmi. Atma is Dharmi. The property is Savikaram. Properties always won't be same. Property, the color fade out, and that once the property is there, first of all, according to Tarkika, Atma is Niravayavaha. According to him, that Dravyam, Atma is Niravayavaha. Once it is Niravayava, partless, how it can have Sambandha with a property? First, illogicality. Your Niravayava Atma Dravyam, how can it possess a consciousness property? It cannot possess. To possess, Sambandha must be Savayava Dharma Yoho Sambandha. Savayavam. You must, that Dravyam must have some Avayava, then only it can possess attributes. So without Avayava, it cannot have Dharma. So Dharmi must be Savayavam to have a Dharma. Dharmi, the object must have Avayavam, Savayavam, along with some limbs, some parts, to have a Dharma. Chaitanyam is Dharma, you are telling. According to you, Atma Dravyam is Niravayavam. Niravayava and Dharma katham sambandha bhavati. Illogical. So, Savayava Dharmayoho sambandha. But not between Niravayava and Dharma sambandha na bhavati. Murta Dravyayoho sambandha. Murta means it must have a form. It must have a form. Savayava Dravyayoho sambandha. So Niravayavaha Atma cannot have sambandha with the mind. Here he said, Atmanaha manas sambandha. How manas can have sambandha with Atma once it is Niravayavam? That is one fallacy, illogicality. Second illogical point is Yukti Virodha of Tarkika. Second Yukti Virodha is, if it is Dharmi, anything is Dharmi. What do you mean by Dharmi? That which has got Dharma is called Dharmi. That which has got a property, Dharma, is called Dharmi. This flower is a Dharmi. It has got a white color property. So Dharmi, when it has got Dharma, Dharma undergoes a change, Dharmi also undergoes a change. When the white flower, white color goes away, and that flower also change or not. Flower is the Dravyam. And the white color fades away, that flower also changes. The smell goes away, color goes away. Then what will happen? Pushpaham nashyati. Savikaram yat savikaram tat nashvaram. This is the law. Yat savikaram. If it is permanent, not a plastic flower, I am talking original flower. Yat savikaram, whatever undergoes a change, because every property has to undergo a change. That is why we are changing from the beginning, from birth onwards till today. go on changing. Savikaram, et savikaram, tat nashyati, asti jayate, vardhavate, viparinamate, apakshiyate, vinasyate. This is the law. Similarly, if you say Atma is dharmi, having all 9 gunas are changing. Once gunas are changing, your Atma also will become what? Nashwaram. But according to you, Atma is Nitya and Dravyam. According to Tarkika, Atma is Nitya Dravyam. So you have to, Purvapara Vichara is this. When he is saying Atma Nityam, he won't remember these dharmas are there, it will become Savikaram. Savikaram is Anityam. It become Nashwaram. Nashwaram is Anityam. Atma is Nityam. It is having dharmas, is illogical. What is the point? What we say? Once it has dharmas, attributes, dharmas undergo a change. Savikaram. Yat savikaram tat anityam nashyate. So your Atma is, Dravya Atma is, who is we are asking Purvapakshi. Your Atma, according to you, Atma Dravyam is Nityam. Once it is Nityam, if you say, and Dharmi also you are telling it has got dharmas. It is undergoing a change, manifesting, unmanifesting, undergoing a change. Nashwaram bhavate. How can you say Nitya Atma and having properties and they are going to change? Not correct. That is why we have to negate him. Yatra yatra dharmashrayatvam tatra tatra nashwaratvam. Wherever which dravyam is depending upon the property. Whatever object is having dharmashrayatva means what? When it is having some properties. That properties, if they are having, that product can never be permanent. So your Atma will become Anityam. But you say Nityam. So Nityatvam, Dharmashrayatvam cannot go together. If it is Nityam, it must be Nirgunam. If it is Sagunam, it must be Anityam. This is the final conclusion. If it is Nityam, it must be Nirgunam, propertyless. If you say it is with attributes propertied, Sagunam, it must be Anityam. You should accept either Atma is Anityam, therefore because it has got properties, or you have to say Atma is Nirgunam. But what we are telling, Atma is Nityam and it has got Sagunam. Gunas it has got. Puriyarda? First Vedantam Puriyarde Kashtam. And the illogicality of that Purvapakshi to understand is mind-boggling concept. How to? You follow, very simple only. It's not a big thing, you can understand. So, now how this samyoga happens, Atma Manas Samyoga, is the question. Question means not a question. The next shloka comes, why that person gives this shloka? For what? Just we have to know. If Atma is Achit, how that Achit Atma can have the Chiti property? Once it has Chit property, you cannot say this jasmine is colorless. Why? It has got color. You cannot say it is colorless. Avaranam you cannot say. Similarly, once Atma has got the property of Chaitanyam, can you say it is Achita? Is it not illogicality? What he is talking is not thinking. See, look into the next shloka. Chitimatva chetanoyam Ichcha dvesha prayatnavan स्याद्धर्माधर्मयो कर्ता स्याद्धर्माधर्मयो कर्ता भोक्ता दुःखादिमत्वतः चितिमत्वात्. How Atma Manas Samyoga is possible is the question. Atma is Jadam, mind is Jadam according to him. In the Jada Atma Dravyam Jada Manaha combination Samyoga, how is it possible? It is possible Chitimatvad because of the Chaitanyam. Since Atma has got Chaitanya, its property. So Atma Mullama undi joined with Chaitanyam comes slowly and join with Atma. Once Atma becomes Chitimatvam, having Chaitanyam, what happens? Mind comes and joins. Mind comes and joins. Chitimatvat. Chitimatva means because this Atma is possessor of that Chaitanyam. I am Atma. I am means this Atma. Ichha, dvesha, prayatnavan syat, dharma dharmayoho karta syat. Because of this consciousness, this Atma is able to associate with mind. Once mind is joined with Atma, what happens? Ichha, dvesha, prayatna, all will come in that Atma. Puriyardo? So Atma has got Chaitanyam. Once it has got Chaitanyam, Manas Samyoga takes place. Once Manas Samyoga comes, what comes? Raga, Dvesha, Sukha, Dukkha, Samskara, all will come. Once they come, in Chumma Irkumatane, Dharma Dharmavu Karta. Start performing what? Commonwealth Games. Chumma Irkumatane, Dharma, Punya, Adharma, Papa, Karta Bhavati. Where we have started, Atma Dravyam, its property is Chaitanyam and Manas Samyoga. Once Manas Samyoga takes place, all other 8 attributes start functioning. Ichha, desire, Raga, Dvesha. Because of Raga, Dvesha, that Jiva starts the Punya, Apunya, Punya Papa Karma. Once Punya Papa Karma it does, it has to exhaust what? Sukha, Dukkha. Bhokta Bhavati. Bhokta Syat. Karta Syat. Bhokta Syat. That's what he says. Chitimatva Chetanaha Ayam Atma. Because it is having the consciousness as its property, I am Atma Chetanaha. This Atma is sentient. We do not know how he calls it as Achit then. Chetanaha, I am Atma. But he says, I don't want to say it is Chetanam. Why? It is temporary. It is temporary. That's why I don't want to call Atma as Chetanam. Beep, beep consciousness. Swamiji, Puja Swami says, beep, beep consciousness. Consciousness, one point irukuma. One point consciousness is called beep, beep consciousness. கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருக்கும், கொஞ்ச நேரம் போயிடும். எப்படி போகும் சொல்ல போறார் அப்புறம். How it goes also. I am Chetanaha. Once it becomes Chetanaha, because of that Manas Samyoga. Once Manas Samyoga takes place, மனசுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? Ichha is there, Dvesha is there, Raga, Dvesha, all are there, Prayatna is there, willpower is there, Samskaras are there. Because of that, Dharma dharmayoho karta syat Atma. You have to supply Atma. Second line. Atma, I am Chetanaha Atma. dharmadharmayoho karta syat. It will start doing right actions and wrong actions. Why it is doing right and wrong actions? Because it has got raga, dvesha. Why it has got raga, dvesha? Because they are all in the mind. Where is the mind? Jada manas, how it can activate? Because it is associated with the Atma. Which Atma? Which Atma is associated with Chetanam. Sutti vedathu engengyo poda. Atma, ayam Atma Chetanaha, Manas Samyogaha, then Raga Dveshavan, then Prayatnavan, Samskaravan, Dharma Dharma Karta Bhavati. Karta Kapura enna varum next? Adha solra. Bhokta Dukkhadi Matvataha. Dukkhadi Matvataha means associated with. Associated with Ayam, you have to supply again. Ayam Atma Dukkhadi Matvataha Bhokta Bhavati. Bhokta Syat. Because this Adipadat Sukham Mishram, seller, Aluvar, Dukkham. Adipadat, seller, Siripar, seller, Aludugunde, Siripar. No. Adi Adimatva, Dukkhadimatvataha. Because it is experiencing pain and pleasure, plain pleasure mixture, therefore it is called enjoyer. Oh, this Atma. This Atma is enjoyer. Bhokta means enjoyer. Dukkhadimatvataha. Because it is endowed with sukha dukkha. Endowed with what? It is undergoing sukha dukkha, pleasure and pain. It is a bhokta. Why it is undergoing pleasure and pain? Because it has done dharma, dharma, karma. Because it was a karta, therefore now it is bhokta. Why it was karta? Because it has got raga dvesha. Why it has got raga dvesha? Because the mind, there are lot of raga dvesha. How mind jada manas it says? Because it is associated with Atma. Which Atma? Which Atma is associated with Chetanam, Chaitanyam. And that is our Vishayam. Next shloka. Now 92. Now the manifesting Atma from one body to another body. This Atma, Chaitanyam manifesting in Atma, means Chaitanyam property comes in Atma and goes. Once this person dies, Atma is all pervading. According to him, Atma is all pervading. And it goes to other lokas also after death. That also he is talking now. Lokantaram. Next shloka, 92. Yathatra karma vashatah kadachitkam sukhadikam tatha lokantare dehe karmanechadi janyate. Yatha, just as atra, in this present body, karma vashataha, because of its karma, karma vashataha means because of its karma. Why this vashataha word is used? All are helplessly bound to do karma. Nakatsit chanamapi jatu tishtatya akarmakrat. No one can sit without doing any karma. That is why vashataha. Helplessly everyone has to do karma. Karma vashataha atra, in this body, kadachitkam sukhadikam. Sometimes sukhadikam, sukha dukkha are created in this janma, in this body. Tatha, in the same way, lokantare karmana Lokantare means in other worlds also. Lokantare. Karmana. Karmana means actions done in this body. Actions done in this body, in this present life, these karmas are exhausted in other lokas. In other lokas, he is not going to acquire any fresh punya papa. Whatever he has done here, punya papa, he is going to exhaust in other lokas. Again, he takes another body there. Because Atma is all pervading, so he takes another body. That is why, according to Karma Kanda, this Jiva Atma travels, goes there. If you do punya, you enjoy Swarga. If you do papa, you enjoy. You suffer in Naraka. Why I have to enjoy in Swarga, I have to suffer in Naraka? That Sukha, Dukkha are because of what? Which karma? Here, in this Janma, here, Atra. Iha Janmani, Dehe, whatever karmas you do, you have to exhaust there. Lokantare. Not only here, because of Raga Dvesha, if you do here, you get a lot of Sukha Dukkha here only, not over your Sukha Dukkha. There also you get Sukha Dukkha. That's what he is telling. So he is emphasizing, because he is Prabhakara, no? You know Prabhakara? Do you remember? Last class I told you. Jaimini Maharshis wrote sutras for Karma Kanda. The vast Purva Mimamsa. Purva Mimamsa is Karma Kanda. What Karma Kanda is talking about? This Janma, Punya, Papa, Dharma, Adharma, Karma. Only you have to go to other lokas and you exhaust Pitru Loka, Swarga Loka, other lokas and all. If you have not done any Punya, you go to lower lokas, Atala, Vitala, and you suffer. Who says? Karma Kanda says. So Jaimini is a Sishyam. Jaimini, after that, this Prabhakara wrote what commentary? Who's Sishya? Kumarila Bhatta Sishya, Prabhakara, a Mimamsaka, strong Mimamsaka. So he gives a lot of importance to Karma Kanda. Therefore, he is talking about Lokantara. Karma Vashataha, Kadachitkam Sukhadikam. Sukhadikam, Kadachitkam, they are created. In this Janma, Sukha Dukkha are created because of your Raga Dvesha. Why I am getting Sukha? Because of some Dharma, Punya Karma. Why you are getting Dukkha? Why Kosu is biting you? When so many people around, why it has come and bite? That is what Papa. Even you have to sleep 2 hours or 3 hours, 4 hours, your Prarabdha decides. Your Punya Papa decides. Why some person is snoring next to me? I am not able to sleep, sound sleep, but I am getting only sound from other person. Next person sound only I have to listen. Instead of I have to get sound sleep. Why not? Because of your karma. Prarabdha karma. Papa karma. That exhaust. Even waking up also depends on your prarabdha. Therefore, some one cause or other, not knowing it is our because of our prarabdha, we shout at others. We shout at others, not knowing our prarabdha. Pavan, they are only instruments to exhaust our prarabdha. Through them it exhausts. That is why our elders always used to say, prarabdha. They never curse other people. Now, instead of cursing our own prarabdha, we curse others, the family members. After marrying you, lot of problems. And why you have to marry me only? No, your prarabdha. That is true. No? That is prarabdha. ஓகே, சன்னியாசி எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு கூட ஆசிரமம் கட்டி கஷ்டப்படுறானே என்ன பிராரப்தம். அது பெரிய சம்சாரம், மகா சம்சாரம். தட் இஸ் வாட் பிராரப்தான். அத்ர ததா லோகாந்தரே தேஹே, ஈவன் அதர் வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் ஹி ஹாஸ் டு டேக் தட் தேஹா. Naraka, Swarga, Karmakanda talks about Swarga, Naraka a lot. So therefore, Punya Papa, how can he exhaust? Therefore, 2 lokas we have to keep. Punyati Gorulokam, Papati Gorulokam. Swarga Lokam for Punya, Naraka Loka for Papa. So exhaust. And they will fry you. In the oil, they put in the oil and fry. Cut. Ella dehe. And the Jivatma is suffering. Lokantare dehe karmana ichchadi janyate. Karmana ichchadi means this lokantare sukha dukkha are born out of here. Whatever you have done karma, karmana janyate. They are born out of karma which you have done in this present body. So our sukha dukkha are not over. Okay, if you won't get Jivan Mukti, sukha dukkha continues. That's why people are afraid. We want moksha. Here sukha dukkha at least we can see. In the next body what suffering, what comfort we are going to face, we do not know. That's why let us have full stop for this janma. Next shloka. Evam cha sarvagasyapi sambhavetam gamagamau karma kanda samagrotra pramanamiti te vadan. Evam, in this manner, swargasyapi sambhavetam gamagamau. Gamagamau, that means arrival and departure. Sambhavati, sambhavetam, arrival and departure are possible. Sambhavetam means possible. To whom? Possible to Atma, Jivatma. Gamagamau sambhavetam sarvagasyapi. Sarvaga only we read, no? Sarvagasya. Atma is sarvagaha, all pervading. Even though Atma is all pervading, sarvagaha api Atma, what happens? Gama, it is having arrival and departure. Because of what? Manas samyoga. Because of manas samyoga, ichcha dvesha. Because of ichcha dvesha, punya papa karma. Because of punya papa karma, that vasanas generates again to do karma again. Again karma, again janma. So karma, karta and bhokta. To have bhoktrutvam, again another body. If you have done lot of punya, suppose, here the sukhas are not sufficient for you. You need extra bhogam. Because you have done extra punya in this loka, in this janma. Therefore, other lokas, more comfort. More comforts. Where there are no mosquitoes, where there is no water problem, electricity problem, no problem at all. No earthquake, no tsunami, nothing will come. Then what? You enjoy. All the time enjoy. Like our people go to America, they are thinking it is Swargam. Swargam enna car pointe irkalam 110, 120 speed lo polam eppume, you know, obstruction at all. Like that. Water is pure, air is pure. அங்க இருக்க வேண்டிய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கு, அது வேற விஷயம். அங்க நிறைய இருக்கு. They just compare to this, roads are clean, air is pure, everything is available all the time, 24 hours. They are comparing. So you have done a lot of punya, suppose you go there, up to visa over, you have to stay there and come back. Ardha Chandrakallana talliduva ange kuda. After visa is over, you have to come back. You can't stay there. So that is the here also lokantare dehi gamagami. Atma அங்க இருக்க இல்லையோ திரவியம். So that திரவியம் அங்க உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு, ஆத்மா திரவியம். Then again property, what consciousness property. Then manas samyoga, raga dvesha. Then dharma dharma karta. There dharma dharma karta kadiyad. Okay. In that loka, it is only for exhaustion. You acquire punya papa here only, there only exhaustion. Adi theriyum illiyo? Shine punya matya lokam vishanti. Adha. So therefore, sarvagasyapi, this shows Atma is all-pervading in artham. According to Tarkika, all-pervading Atma. Gamagamau sambhavetam. Arrival and departure is possible for this Atma. Who? All-pervading Atma. All-pervading Atma, how is it possible? He says, possible, that's all. Who? What is the pramanam? Karma kandaha samagraha atra. So the entire karma kanda atra means gamagamau vishaye. Gamagamau vishaye, going and coming. Poitar. Children, poitar. Na enga poitar? Enga poitar? Mele poitar. What is the pramanam? Karma Kanda, Samagra Karma Kanda. The entire Karma Kanda is talking about all rituals, Shradham, Pindapradhanam, Tarpanam, all this for whom? Pitru Devatas. Where are they? Pitruloka. How many lokas are there? So many. Pitruloka, Devaloka, Gandharvaloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka, Maharloka, Janaloka, Tapoloka. All are sitting there. Nariya Punyam Panni. They are sitting there. So we are sending lot of food for them. Because they cannot acquire, no? They cannot have job. They are exhausting only punya. So appappa nama food anupinde irukano. Adha kadai. Okay. Karma kanda samagraha. Atra in this matter, gamagama vishaye karma kandaha pramanam. Samagra pramanam iti te avadan. Te means Prabhakaramimamsakaha and Nayayikaha, Vaiseshikaha, Tarkikaha. They talk about this avadan. Tasmin Vishaye. Prabhakaraha. All these people, they talk about that. Then next shloka. What is the pramanam? Karma kanda is the pramanam for us. They say. What else we want? Karma Kanda, Veda Pramanam is there. Now continuing the explanation of Prabhakara points. Anandamaya kosho yaham sushuptau parisishyate aspashtaschitsa atmaisham पूर्वकोशोऽस्य ते गुणाः. Atma, Chit, you have to take Sushuptau, first line. Sushuptau, in deep sleep. In deep sleep, Chit, second line. Chitsa is there. Chit, Chaitanya. Aspashtaha. It is not clear. When you go to deep sleep, you don't remember your consciousness. Are you conscious of your sleep when you are in sleep? You are chitta or achit? Achit. Because you are not conscious of when you are in sleep. Am I right? Yes? Because none of us conscious of our sleep in sleep. That's what he says. Aspashtaha chit. When sushuptau, in sushupti, deep sleep, chit, consciousness, is aspashtam, not clear. So what na? Yaha anandamaya koshaha. When, why it is aspashtam? When anandamaya kosha, that karana shariram. In your deep sleep, annamaya kosha out, pranamaya kosha not out, but you do not know you are breathing in. You are not aware of. And manomaya kosha out, vijnanamaya kosha out. So which kosha is there? Anandamaya kosha. Anandamaya kosha parishishyate, remaining. 4 கோஷங்களுக்கு தெரியாது நமக்கு. Because we are not conscious of annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha. Okay? We do not know. Who is there in anandamaya kosha parisishyate? Anandamaya kosha remains. That is karana shariram, remains. Saha, that anandamaya kosha. Where is saha? Chitsa ani irukku. And the chitsana, chit plus saha. Saha anandamaya koshaha purva koshaha means what? The first kosha. Ullakulla irukra first kosha. Anandamaya kosha, adikku mele vijnanamaya kosha, adikku mele manomaya kosha, adikku mele pranamaya kosha, adikku mele sthula shariram, vasham. So first purva koshaha anandamaya koshaha parisishyate. Esham atma. That is atma for these people. That is why achit I say. That anandamaya kosha, ananda is there, no? And that consciousness is aspashtam. You are not conscious of. That anandamaya kosha is atma esham. Esham prabhakara. Tarkika, Vaisheshikas, Yesham, Atma. For these people, that is the Atma. Pura koshasya. Asya te gunaha. Asya, of that anandamaya koshas, gunas, all these. What? This consciousness, raga, dvesha, ichha, sukha, dukkha, samskara, all of them are the gunas of that anandamaya kosha. Which anandamaya kosha? When you wake up again, what comes? I slept well. Ange ennachu? Ange achittu. Inge chittu vandachu kaalaila. Association vandadilliyo? Manas association vanda udane chittu because of chittu, manasu because of manasu, ellaru eppadi irukar aalella raga dvesha ellame vandirudhu. That's what he says. Aspashta chit saha esham atma purva koshaha asya te gunaha. All these gunas belong to them. With this, Prabhakara matam is over. Achit matam over. Now Chidachit matam is going to come. Bhatta matam. That we'll see in the next class. From 95 onwards up to 97, Bhatta matam. Atma is Chit and Achit. Both at a time. Sentient and insentient also. How? More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.